Oh, isn't karma a bitch? Yeah, my name's Dr. Mike Thoman, and this video is about a good buddy of mine, David Newman, a local attorney here in Charlotte that shouldn't be practicing anymore. I unfortunately hired him a couple years ago to deal with an issue I was having with the IRS, and he was totally incompetent. And it was very frustrating. And come to find out, it's very difficult to hold lawyers' feet to the fire. They have all the power, and you can't find another lawyer to sue another lawyer. So what did I do? I sued David Newman myself for malpractice. Yes, I won a default judgment against him. That means the Charlotte courts granted me a default judgment against David Newman. This later, because of some minor service error that they nitpicked apart. I guess if you know the right people, you can get anything done. They had to reopen the case, and then I survived a couple motions to dismiss, and then on summary judgment, which we all know is a joke, I unfortunately lost the case because my CPA was not a licensed attorney. So anyhow, yes, so at the very end, my case was dismissed upon summary judgment, which, like I said, was only because my CPA was not a licensed lawyer CPA, which I couldn't afford to do. So it's just those little games, once again, that says lawyers are kind of a protected class. And during all this, David Newman decided to sue me for defamation because I posted some bad reviews on the internet about him. So as we're dealing with my lawsuit still, I get served a lawsuit from David Newman and his attorney. Excuse me, one more time. Yeah, so that was fun to receive a nice defamation lawsuit that I had to now deal with from David Newman and his also corrupt attorney, because this was totally unbiased. I am protected by my First Amendment to write what my personal experiences were, which were not good. And if you'd go to the Better Business Bureau website, you'd also find many, many other people that had to deal with my same terrible experiences. So anyhow, I did get that lawsuit dismissed by myself. I represented myself in court. I had a motion to dismiss, and geez, imagine that. They dismissed the court, or David Newman and his attorney dropped the lawsuit against me. But it's not that easy. So if you want to harass me and give me a lawsuit for no reason, no legal reason, then I'm also going to sue David Newman for malicious prosecution. So he'll be expecting that lawsuit pretty soon. And my day was really made better the other day when I've got something here in the internet that shows that case number 3:20 CV00148. United States against David Newman. What could that be about? Complaint for federal taxes and foreclosure of liens. Geez, imagine that. David Newman, a tax attorney, Cornell graduate. I didn't go there also, so he's kind of embarrassing my name. Is now being sued by the U.S. government for back taxes. David Newman not paying his taxes. I think he'd know a little bit better than that. So he apparently said he'd pay it, then he wouldn't pay it. So now they're suing him again, and they're going to foreclose against his $1.7 million house here in South Charlotte. Must be nice. But looks like, according to that, he hasn't filed for many years. He's barely paid anything. And between late fees and everything else, about $500,000. Good going, David. So once again, if you're looking for a good attorney, tax attorney to help you out, don't call David. So that's my 2 cents. I'm going to post this on YouTube. And I hope that's forewarns some people out there and they don't get taken advantage of also. And I hope David loses his license someday because that's what he deserves. Thank you.